Guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see two more important annotation. One of them is before class and another one is after class. So basically, before class annotation we are going to use this annotation, and we are going to use after class annotation. So we need to keep in mind that we need to import them from the testng library, and we don't need to import them from JUnit or any other library. So we need to keep that in mind. So for all the annotations that I am using and anything that I am importing, please import from testng library, otherwise your program will not work properly. So now we will come back to the before class. So before class is something, if we want to execute anything before the execution of the class, I mean any other test method, then we need to use before class. And once everything is executed, even the last after method is executed, then we are going to execute after class. So let us name these two things, public void, and maybe I will just name it as before class setup. And we are going to print something like, so we are just going to copy paste this thing, and we are going to create a new method. We are going to copy paste this line and change this thing. So in short, what I would like to say, that before class, if we are writing anything in this annotation, then here is the Java class, right? So once we are going to execute anything, then this will execute first. And once everything is executed, before method, after method, and all the test cases, so basically by logic, in the last test case and after the last after method, it will execute after class. And before class, this is the first thing which is going to get executed in the class, so we need to keep that thing in mind. Now with this, let us try run this and see what is going to happen. I will also just comment out this test, so we will have two test cases. So our Chrome is launched and it is maximized. One test case is done. Now it is executing another test method. So both the test methods are done. Now if we go here in the default test suite, so basically default test suite is like the XML file which is default created by testng once we are executing from the Java class. We will look into that thing later. And so if we go here, we can see that execution of before class setup. So this is the first thing that is getting executed, nothing else is getting executed before this. And once the programs ends, we can see here, this is the line for the execution of the second test case. And after this, once this method is executed, then it will just run after class annotation. So this is like execution of after class setup. So in direct way, we can just say that this is the first thing which is going to execute. If it is present, before class is the first thing which is going to execute, and after class is the last thing which is going to execute in any Java file. It is not related to suite level annotations which is going to execute, that is different. So we are going to discuss about that later. So once we are running the Java file, then this will run first, before class will run first, and after class will run at the end of the execution of the Java class file. Hope you liked my video. Thank you.